Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading A Polar Bear in the Snow by Barnett and Shawn. Please enjoy. A polar bear in the snow. There was a polar bear in the snow. Still asleep, he lifts his nose to sniff the air. And he awakens. There is a polar bear in the snow. Where is he going? Is he going to visit the seals? No, he is not hungry. Is he going to hunker in a cave? No, it's fur protection from the storm. Is he going to meet a man? No. There's a polar bear in the snow. Where is he going? Oh. He's going to the sea. He wants to play. And when he's done playing, he climbs back into the snow. Where will he go then? Who knows? He's just wandering around, huh? Nobody won't know where he's going. Have any of you got to meet a polar bear before? Let me know with a thumbs up if you've been able to see a polar bear. If it was at a zoo or out just walking. Let me know in the comment box with a thumbs up if you've been able to see a polar bear before. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you give a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one and take care.